Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Joy, your joy. So in today is gonna be about dandruff. If you have a dandruff on your hair, this treatment is gonna be perfect for you. So this treatment is super good. If you can try the way I'm gonna show you, it will be effective for you. So if you are the type that's been suffering from dandruff for years or months, this is going to be perfect for you. If you are the type that's thinking, oh my god, this dandruff is something else, why does it always disgrace me, this treatment is for you. If you are the type that also thinking, I have dandruff on my head, it's just started, I started noticing dandruff, this treatment is going to be perfect for you also. If you want to know what this treatment will be, continue watching. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is the time to subscribe so that you get more video from me. If you are new in this channel, you are most welcome. And if you've not turned on the notification, please do that now. And share this video with your friends, with your family, with your loved ones. And stay tuned while we jump into it. So guys, this is all I will be needing. I will need my onion, and I will need my coconut oil and my garlic. Onion is rich in antibacterial properties. Onion are very good at hair follicles nourishment and help restore lost nutrient to your scalp. The antibacterial in onion will help to fight infection of scalp and dandruff. Also help to reduce hair fall. Onion are naturally contain protein antioxidant, which is why they help reserve the effect of premature aging. Garlic is traditionally used while cooking and also used a lot for medicinal purposes. Garlic is known for its antifungal properties. It helps you fight dandruff and restore your hair to its original. So I will be mixing all these ingredients together with the coconut. So first of all, you have to cut your onion into a small piece. So I'm going to slice the onion. So I finished slicing the onion, and this is my coconut oil. So we're gonna steam it now. So I'm gonna add everything together. So I will add my coconut oil. So I'll add my onion slice with garlic. So you leave it to cook, but you don't overcook it. Just steam it. So guys, when they have started boiling, you just cook it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but you don't let the onion to dry off and garlic. So at this point it is ready, as you can see. So I will just turn off the lights and let it sit to cool. Then I will transfer it into a jug. So you cook it this way, you don't let it burn. You let the onion fresh and the garlic also. So this is how it is. So you leave it there to cool down. So after it's cool, then you transfer it into a container or a jug. So guys, this is the onion and the mixture. So it's cooled down, so I'm going to transfer it inside my container. You mix everything, you don't separate the onion, so you just pour everything inside the container. You put it into the fridge, so you can keep this thing inside fridge for as long as you can keep. but you can't keep it up to 3 months, but this can last for at least a month. So you just use this to apply on your hair. Anytime you lose your hair, or you want to make your hair, you can apply it. If you want to wash it off, it's okay, but if you don't want to wash it off, you can always apply it every night to sleep at night. So you apply this on your hair, and those dandruff, you will not see them anymore. So this is very effective and powerful. If you can do it this way, it's gonna be effective. So you cover it, you put it inside fridge for at least 1 month, so this can keep. All right, that is the end. I'm gonna show you how to apply it on my hair. So guys, this is the mixture, so I'm gonna apply it now on my hair. So just dip your hand and apply it all over your scalp. So this mixture, if you apply it, is optional. For me, I don't like washing it off, but if you want to wash it off, you can apply it later, you wash it off. But me, I like applying it, then I just leave it to sit there. I can make my hair from it, so I don't like taking it off, so I just apply it. So it's just optional. That's how I choose to do mine. So you can do yours the way you feel. Maybe you apply it and you wash it off after 20 minutes or 30 minutes. It's fine, it still works the same. So that is the end. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you know this video was helpful to you, please subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Check out other of my videos. They are amazing and interesting video. You will learn from it. Also share this video with your friends, with your loved ones, and with your family. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. God bless you. Bye.